man, they're going away from us, bro. Oh, look, it got lighter, bro. Whoa. That one got light. See that? Whoa, that one's getting light. Look. What is that? What is it, huh? That is weird. I can't see it. What is that? Those are drones or no? Whoa, look at that one got light. See that? Look at that one. Wow, look at that one just stopped there, bro. It's just stopped. Look at that light.
How the fuck do I do this? I know this is the first time I tried to use camera on the show.
That's a trip, dude. Look at that. What is that?
Damn it.
Look at that one. Look, they're like lighting up. They're like putting on a show or something. But there's a star right behind them, like it's watching them. That's a trip. Look at that. What is that, bro? What are those?
I'm getting fucking glare, so I need to focus.
I got.
I don't know this camera at all. I'm trying to use it.
Are they going in a circle pattern or what are they doing? Do you hear that noise? That's a trip, dude. We're here in Albuquerque. This is in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Whoa, look at that. They're like doing a... What is that, bro? Are they doing a pattern or is that a line of them?
Huh?
Is that just one after another? Are they doing a pattern? What are they doing?
That's weird,
huh?
That's weird.
Oh, I wish it wouldn't get so damn shaky. Oh, it looks like they're like in my video. It looks like they're doing like a pattern, like a.
It does, look. Yeah, they're like doing a circle or something, you know.
Like formation type
Yeah.
thing. What the hell is that, bro? Oh, those are drones? Drones don't hold that high, I don't think. Damn it, those lights are in my way. How do we get away from those lights, bro? What is that, bro? Okay, look, they're stopped. They're stopped. There's no more, bro.
They're just disappeared, huh?
Yeah, where'd they go?
Where'd they all go?
I don't know. Let's try to find them.
I don't think I caught.
Look, that one star's. Look, that one star's moving now. Look.
That was badass.
Look, that one star's moving in the back. Look.
Yep. And they're all just gone.
Where did they go, bro?
No shit.
What the hell is going on here? Where did they go, bro? Where are they? Is there clouds there? What the hell's there? Look right here, look.
Where?
I don't know if that's... Look, there's a light, look, right up there. See it?
That's a star, isn't it?
I don't know. Is it going away?
There, and then they just all... Whoop.
Where did they go, dude?
Huh.
No.
It's not like we're going to get closer.
No, but I mean...
We are, a little bit.
Where did they go, dude?
I know, huh?
Oh, look, that...
I don't think I caught any of it, dude. I think all I caught was glare. I need to check out this camera more.
Wait, I got it on mine.
I didn't think I was going to.
Are they over here? Or where are
I
they?
thought about it, checking it out. I was like, I'll check that out later.
What the hell's going on here, bro? Where did they go? It looked like they were doing a circle thing, but
Yeah, that was cool.
I don't know.
And then they just like, where'd it go?
Huh? Wait, okay, that's a
This
star.
would
That's
a good place to do it right here.
Damn it.
Let's just stay right here.
Damn it, man. You think they come back?
Probably not.
What is going on here, bro? They're gone. Wait, I hear something over here.
I would say, I didn't have it.
Right here. Look, they're right there, look.
I didn't even have it recorded. Wait, you doing this? Crest?
Is that it? Right? Is that them right there?
I didn't even have your door down.
Look, see that? See the that star right there? Or what the hell is that?
It might be.
Looks like a star. It looks kind of close. Where did they go, bro? They're right here. Look.
Where?
Is that them up above?
No. Oh, right there.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Now we're just sticking outside. Look, it's there.
Where? Do you see them?
I thought that might have been.
Is that them up there? Where the hell
I
did they
didn't
go?
have
Look,
your
maybe
door
right there.
They were that star that, you know, it was all part of that right there. Just, that was weird. I never seen anything like that. That's moving.
What is?
Or is it the power lines moving?
That's the power lines, bro. I don't know. It looks like it. Dude, where did they go? They just don't disappear like that, bro. The planes just don't disappear, bro.
Yep, and they don't.
Unless they turn off their lights.
They don't do an oval pattern up in the sky either. You know what I mean? Unless they're in oval.
Why would the one would?
They're all boom.
One would get bright like that.
Yeah.
Like that one would get bright at that
could-
certain
I mean,
moment.
Yep.
What was that, bro?
I didn't even have record on this.
I hope I got it, bro. Look, okay, look, there's a star. I just saw a light over there, bro.
Really?
Let's
get around the smoke.
I swear to God, bro, I just seen it. Look, it's like right straight that
You
way.
think the Navajo called them in?
I don't know, bro.
That's what that's right. That's what
Dude, I just saw that star, bro. I just saw it. It disappeared, bro, that light. What was that, bro? I wish we were right here, bro.
Right?
Ah, man, that was our whole purpose to be here. Damn, dude, that was the whole reason that we should have stayed. But it was, it would have been, we would have been right perfect with it, bro. Where is it? That was a sick, Now, see, now you should be able to see a helicopter of some sort. Because usually the government has a helicopter that follows. Look, right there, look. Is that moving? I saw one right here. I saw the light and then the light was gone. What was that? I didn't hear no noise. Damn it, where are they? Right here. Look, see, they look like those right there. Look, it looks like they're moving a little bit. Right there.
Where?
See it in the background right there? Or has that been there? No, that's not moving. Where did they go, bro?
Put it on night vision.
Oh, night vision, night vision.
Look at this one.
I don't think I have that, bro.
If that one star, it stands out.
No, these
Like
things.
it's a lot closer.
These things were. Yeah, but where the fuck did they go,
See,
dude?
no other star's doing that. That one might over there. Not even that one. Yeah, it does.
What about, look right here, look, this one right here. See it?
That's on the galactic or the solar plane. That's Mars.
That's far, huh?
That's Mars right there.
Oh, these things are moving, bro.
Oh yeah, they were definitely.
Those are moving up
I
there,
definitely
like.
had it on record. 'Cause I was hoping I could at least fucking, filter something out of it.
What was going on here, bro? What were the?
Footage?
Yeah, yeah. But I don't want to turn it off, and then they come back or something.
Right?
Right here, look. That right there looks like it's moving, maybe.
That's the one I believe they were all kind of.
One was like definitely.
oh,
it looked like
flotilla, but wait a minute.
But when you saw them, dude, that one middle one stopped,
Yeah.
and then they just kept going like that, like they were like ducklings.
Right? Exactly. Yeah.
Huh? Is that what you saw?
Yeah. I didn't get to pay as much attention because I was trying to get my camera. First I had to find it, and then it's like it was on selfie.
You have to set up the gesture just to press
Right,
one
go like
button, and it's
swipe.
boom, boom. That way it starts. It's recording right there.
Right.
I'm gonna walk to the speedway and back, bro. Maybe they'll come back,
Oh,
bro.
where's my bag of food and shit?
Huh?
It'll be safe.
Where did they go, bro?
I mean, it's only.
Where did they go, dude? I don't know.
So
But I don't even know if I left the doors
oh,
open on the
shit.
truck, bro, or nothing.
Huh?
I don't know if I left the doors open on the
You
truck.
did. My window's wide open.
Oh, you want to go back there?
Yeah.
But
But we'll walk back.
they're gonna they're gonna come back, bro. I have a feeling they're gonna come back. They gotta go back home, right? They gotta go back the way they came. What do you think that was?
Oh, what's it?
What was that?
That's a glare. That's glare.
Oh, okay, that's a glare. I'm gonna keep walking the speedway though, but if you can go pick back in the truck until I get there.
Well, I want to go there.
You're like, I'm gonna buy me some smokes, but I was nervous.
That was, huh?
That was something different, bro. What was that? I didn't hear no engines or nothing.
Yeah, it was silent as fuck. Yeah, and then it didn't
Even the drones, you would hear the propellers.
All of them just like disappeared.
But I don't know if they were going in a circle pattern or if they were going.
I think it was
going
like-
one after another.
I think it was like this. Here's the one in the middle, and we're looking at it like this, and they're doing this. You know?
Or it looked like they were going this way, and then they was going 1, 2. It looked like they just. I didn't know what they were doing after that because of the light
Oh,
over
because
there.
they kind of.
I don't know if it was going this way, like this,
Right.
or if they were just going one after another.
That
Was
was
it a
bad,
line of
though.
them?
Looked like what, about 8 of them circling, maybe?
8? It was either 8 circling, or it could have been 100 of them.
Right.
It was either or, bro. I don't know. But we can't find them now. But I have a feeling they're gonna come back the way they came, bro.
That was cool.
So we gotta be prepared for that, bro. Look, there's something right over there. Look,
Yeah, that's what I was. I already saw that. That looks like that's got regular lights.
that has a beacon on there. Remember I
Yeah.
said there'd be a
Yeah,
helicopter.
it's just all white lights.
These didn't have. These weren't like.
They didn't have the normal red and blue.
It
Right
wasn't
right
like.
on the right,
It wasn't like
left,
beaking
whatever.
off like
Yeah.
a beacon. You know.
Yeah.
I don't think.
You
I
have
think.
a lighter on you?
Yeah.
I got one. Oh, here it is. I found it.
I don't know if my driver's door's open, bro.
Yeah, we should secure your truck. Man.
But I have a feeling they're gonna come
Whoa,
back.
whoa, whoa, whoa. I just saw 2 glints.
Huh?
I just saw another glint, like right next to that other one.
Oh.
It might have just been a, you know.
That's the way you saw him, bro. That's the way it started. That's what I saw, like, unless I was freaking out.
Oh, shit.
What was that, bro?
You didn't see a thing.
I don't know what it was, what I was looking at. I just don't know what I was looking at right there. Were they drones? No, but the drones, you could hear them, bro.
Right,
You would hear
and
like,
they were also, you know.
I didn't hear no buzzing
drones
sound.
would be not as well, I don't know.
You would hear a bzzz,
Right,
like,
but yeah, that would take. Well, you could have drones orbiting other drones. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Orbit that one, orbit that. You know what I mean?
wouldn't you hear the props on them?
But
Like
and then
turning?
just have a switch to kill all the lights. People, lights over Albuquerque. You know, it's a weather balloon.
What if we were the only ones that caught it on film? Do you know how much that's worth?
We might end up in the tunnel of it.
But I mean, we have to use a. We don't want to edit it. Let somebody else edit it, bro.
What do you?
Somebody that has the
well,
right
you keep
equipment.
the original, you know. And do
Right.
see what you can do, you know?
I don't want to. I don't
That's
want
what I
to.
was hoping to get, but no.
I didn't. I don't want to turn it off and then they appear back, bro.
It's like, how do they? Oh, it's all it's got to do is swipe. Okay, just zoom.
I want to keep it all one video. You know what I'm saying?
Right. Well, you could be like, here's the original.
So if I pause it, because I had paused it for a
Try to
second,
pull it
bro.
up. Unfortunately, I never hit